today we're going to be playing Cooking in the Rain with a special guest. Bum, ba-da-bum.
Me, her sister.
Yes. So we're going to have such a fun time playing Cooking in the Rain. Now, I know I haven't been recording in a while, but that's because I ran out of storage completely. But now I get to play Cooking in the Rain with you guys, and I think this is going to be so much fun. So, yeah. We're going to go over to Abby's stall wherever it is. Oh, is it? Why do I always get the same stall? This is where they always put my stall. Anyway, maybe Abby can find my stall instead, because I don't think I'm going to ever be able to find her stall, sadly. Because her stall
I'll show you where my stall is.
Yeah, they all look the same, by the way, Abby. So
you can easily check it.
It's not when no one's there. Someone's knocking on someone's door, and it's not my door, and now I'm scared. Anyway.
No, I think it's our neighbor. I think it's our neighbor's door.
No, not our neighbors. What the heck is happening?
Oh.
Guys, I'm scared.
What?
I don't know.
Abby doesn't let anything happen to the things that she is friends with.
What are you friends with?
Me, Bunny, myself, Tablet, you, Bagel.
You're friends with me. You're actually friends with me. That's a no one I've never heard before. That's one I've never heard before.
Oh, I have a storage box now.
Nice. I need to go get some milk.
I can store things in here. Cool. I will be storing milk in here. And butter. And eggs.
No, Abby, when you store it, you can't use it. So if you have it in your backpack, you can use it whenever you need to use it. I wouldn't suggest storing the things you need to use right off the bat.
No, I'll take Mama whenever I need it. You never told me there was such thing as a pet in this game.
Yeah, that's your bread.
I need 80.
Who's 80?
I need 80 coins right now.
Oh, 80. I thought you said 80.
Yeah, I need 80.
80. Alright. Let's make some food.
For a second, I thought they just put bread on the floor, so then I will just give it to my customers. Dirty bread for them. Why do I have all different counters?
That's for different things. At different counters, you serve different things. That's what it's for. This is a really fun game, you guys. I don't know. Have you ever played it? What?
It's gonna rain coins.
That's normal. It happens all the time, Abby. But guys, this is a really fun game. Comment below if you've ever played this game before. If you would play this game. So yeah. This game's pretty fun. Yes, I can finally make ice cream.
One just landed in my space.
Guys, this is my first time making the ice cream. Okay, like I'm very excited. And this gives me 10 coins, so I'm going to be able to get the wall that I want. Oh, I can already get the wall that I want. I have exactly enough to get... Oh, I have 6 extra, sorry. No, that's not the wall. This wall, yeah, I can get the right wall. What was the other thing? I could have got display shelves.
I'm leaving to get water.
Oh, okay. Can you get me some water?
Okay.
Thank you.
I just found 2 waters next to each other.
Nice.
I will grab both of them. As Peppa Pig would say. Charlie, do you have a Peppa Pig in the house?
Yes, we do. Maybe Peppa was the one knocking on our door.
Maybe.
She just found her way into the house because our door is always open.
No, don't we also have a Peppa Teddy?
Mm.
Maybe it's that. Maybe just knocking on our door all the time.
Maybe.
How would we get the Peppa here from Italy? She would have to take a whole flight.
Yeah.
And yes, guys, That's why we have not been posting because for a week.
Yeah, we were in Italy.
Yeah.
How do I get all these
I
other
wanted
ones?
to post on the plane, but I fell asleep before the
Oh.
plane took off.
Yeah, she did.
So sorry
What?
about that.
Oh. How many more? Oh.
I normally
I
don't
need
fall
to-
asleep. I normally stay up.
Yeah, she never falls asleep. It's so weird that she fell asleep.
I'm like,
Last year was so weird.
wake
Oh,
up!
that's good.
It's time for coffee.
Yeah.
So I can just eat coffee whenever I want
Yeah.
because I'm always away.
So how do you like the game,
Well,
Abby?
that was. I actually like it, kind of. Bunny! Hello, Bunny. Why are you in a box?
No, that's Nanny. Nanny's the one in the box.
Oh, so the blue one is Bunny.
Yeah.
Ninny, you're here. Thank you. Your color kind of.
I want bread.
Okay, Ninny. I need to go get some ingredients. Okay. Why don't you tell me some of your weird stories that you have?
Once when I was a kid, I went on a bike and then I died.
I thought you died because you fell, Ninny.
No. That's a fake story.
How come Mother even told us?
Yeah. Guys, that story was completely fake. None of that story was real, was it, Abby?
I actually don't know. Well,
Yeah.
being the younger sibling is hard, not knowing things that the older sibling knows.
She wants to keep on going with the storyline. Abby, the storyline is over now. You get it?
I'm not holding my bread. Where'd my bread go?
I don't know. I have to
told
throw
you
my
bread
ice cream
a
in the
second
trash.
ago. No, where did it
What the
go?
hell? How do I store this?
I need my bread.
Oh, you can eat the ice cream yourself. Oh, nice.
Ninny, I'm getting your bread soon. Just give me a bajillion years.
Okay.
How are you gonna wait? How are you gonna wait? You're gonna have to leave the line. Joke.
Yes, finally I can get frog corns.
Frog corn.
Yeah, if you upgrade all your stalls to level 3, they'll all come to all your stalls. But if you only upgrade one stall, it will only go to that one stall. So I just got a frog
eating
stall.
my bagels and playing at the same time.
yeah, she's eating a bagel while she plays with me. Like, guys, is that
I'm
like?
probably gonna get
disrespectful.
Butterfingers after this because my bagel has butter on it.
Yeah, it's so disrespectful. She's eating and talking at the same time. Like, that's not what you do here. Now, who wants a donut?
Aw. I thought we were talking buddies when we eat McDonald's.
Miss Girl, what are you talking about?
Yeah, remember we got McDonald's for dinner once.
Yeah, it was
We
dinner.
went and ordered ourselves some McDonald's.
Ah, yes. And we went and ordered McDonald's, the best story in the world, Abby. How do you think of that?
We ordered ourselves a Big Mac. Or it could have been a Happy Meal, I don't know. Did we get a Happy Meal or a Big Mac?
We just got a 6-piece chicken nugget.
Oh yeah.
Chicken
We
nugget.
love chicken nuggets.
McChicken.
We love a chicken nugget. Ninny, your bread isn't cooking. What? It's the cooker's fault. I'm sorry, Ninny. It's cooking. It's cooking. Your food is cooking, okay? Your food's cooking.
How do you make up a whole storyline? This makes no sense. Oh, you want Cheerios? Alright, I got
leveled
you.
up, Ninny.
And you want... Oh god, I'm making pancakes for no reason. Oopsies. And I have to eat them myself.
Butter cookies.
Butter cookies.
What even are butter
I have
cookies?
no idea, Abby. What are butter cookies, I wonder?
Cookies made out of butter.
Nice cookie butters. Alright, guys. We are going to do one more level up. Wait. First, we're going to go over to Abby's, and then I think that's going to be the end of the video. So we're going to go over to Abby's, then hang out for like 5 minutes. I don't know. So let's go over to Abby's, wherever it is.
Ninny, I have
Water
a
break.
bread for Bunny.
Oh my god, wait, my new customer just appeared. I have to go back. Sorry, Abby, I'll see you never.
Hello, Ninny.
Oh, the frog corn is so
Hi,
cute.
Ninny. You're
Alright,
here.
let me see
Thank you
your
for coming,
trios.
Ninny. Hello, we love you, Ninny.
You know what? Oh god, I
Ninny,
need
we
more.
know you love
What do I
bread
need?
because it actually
Flowers.
shows your picture on the bread.
Oh, someone just upgraded their entire wall. Nice.
I have butter. in
I'm
my
sorry,
food.
frog corn.
Ninny, I have your bread, Ninnies. Hello, Ninnies. Charlie, you never told me Ninny had a twin.
Abby, can you just wait? I need to serve my frog corn.
Okay.
I guess the main thing to work on in this game is, you know.
Butter cookies.
No, Abby, you can't even make butter cookies in this game, sadly.
Yes, you can.
Can you?
Yeah, I'm making butter cookies right now.
That's not butter cookies, and you just leveled up to level 4, by the way.
I know, I just leveled up. Let's drink my water that said kids on it. Why does our water say kids on it?
I don't know. What water did you buy when you went over to the shop?
I just bought random water. What?
Why not the River Rock?
I also bought a different brand of this water. It's just tropical flavored. It tastes different.
Yeah, it does.
That one has like tropical in it or something. Did they just get a tropical pineapple, shove it into a bottle, mix it with water? I have a cash register. I don't know what that means.
What do you want? Frog, what do you want?
Let's
You want
sing the
Cheerios?
Pepsi. We're going to sing the Pepsi.
I can't make Cheerios. What do I need?
Sorry, Bunny.
Eggs and...
Bunny, I burnt your cookies. How do you still like the burnt cookies? We're burnt, Bunny.
I like cookies. Coca cookies. Coca cookies. Coca cookies. Coca cookies. Cookies.
No, I need to make bread and cookies at the same time. We can't keep Bunny and Dinny waiting.
Ooh, what did I get?
Okay, Ninny, you haven't eaten in a
Cowbell.
while.
Alright, what's the cowbell? Oh, they can call you now?
Let's give you your morning bread, Ninny.
Alright, guys, now that I've served the frog, I'm gonna go find Abby's house or restaurant. I'm gonna order some bread. I'm gonna wait in line patiently and get some bread.
I have my bread. I'm holding your bread, Ninny. I had Corona once.
Here it is.
I only washed my hands in school. Okay, Bunny, I'm gonna make you your cookies now. I'm making you cookies.
She doesn't even know it. You're gonna get money for picking up 4 butter. Nice.
It's literally raining coins.
Abby, does anyone in your shop want bread yet? If they do, serve them bread right now.
Yes, Ninny ordered the bread.
Give her bread.
Hey! I'll give her some bread. Ninny, your bread's gonna take a year to make. This peanut's gonna take 3 seconds.
Oh, is it already done?
Yeah, it's just gonna take you a trillion seconds. You have bread, Ninny. Yay.
Hello, can I order some bread?
Sorry, Mom, it's only for ninnies.
Can I order a donut?
No.
But you serve donuts now. I can see the donut thing in the back.
Too bad. This stall is only for ninnies.
Where else? What other stall can I go that I can get something from you?
I don't know.
Fine, can I order at this stall?
No.
Fine, then can I order at this stall?
No, this is also for bunnies.
What the heck?
This one's for Ninny and Bunny. That one's for Bunny.
This is unfair. What about actual human beings? You know what? I'm baking myself a donut.
No, you're not.
Thanks for
I'm
the
the manager. You've been cooked. You're being cooked out.
You're being cooked. Wow. Abby, come and say goodbye to everyone.
I have a better outfit than you. You don't even have this outfit.
I do. You don't have my crown. Anyway, bye everyone.
Boy, I'm still eating my